in a clear collar with a gold cross around, but can you rely when I click on this thumbnail? Step 1, start with value channel approach. What transformer do I have to create? What expression insights does I have? What will actually help people? What count about this? What mistakes are people making that I can highlight? What's the curiosity gap I can create? Let guide them how they build across to deliver value. Make 7 videos. In those videos, do some storytelling. Do not give them examples related to them. Alright, so 1, I learned this, 2, learned that, 3, they learned this, and I got this. I'm making some clay moulds. Some clay. Get some clay. It's just a stamp like that. So I want that. I want that. Bird. Right. And that. For the legs. Like that. Cut that off. That's a bird. Done. A cog. Just push it in there, like that. Okay. Just doing the birds with cogs in. Done. Some birds have got cogs. No. Do that again because it was wrong. Roll it in there, the centre. Where's that little bird gone? I'll do that again because it was too